Man fi have ambition and a pre-elevation.
Me can't believe me finally done me house with Beast money. Bird going no? And mine your shit pa me new house. Me a come good on a halfway tree. Me have some bills fi pay. Driver, drop me down a halfway tree. One stop yes a bus driver.
How that a beauty? A beauty, me say one ugly blood clot brother come down here ask for you what do you know?
Ask me, I must the one Beast. Me say ugly say. Yes sir, me say the girl take Beast money a mine man. Yes, I show me here. You can't go and talk. That's why me I go to school to get my degree. Cause me no care what nobody want say.
Hey beauty, what kind of ugly man me you say you talk to? Me and you for there.
Hey dirty Winston, give me back my book.
How are this? How are this? Me can't understand nothing of this.
You think say it right for a girl there with a dunce man?
Hey girl, how you call duns? You want me dash with this? Man a real scammer, me no need book.
Me no want no dunce man, no dunce man. Me no want no dunce man.
How would I tell her that?
If you can't type, you want no my
It's
type.
coming,
And
mister.
if you can't write, you want no Mr. Right.
Big up every scammer. We make US dollar. Build up the house for your mama.
Them call it scam.
Every ghetto you would feel live like Tony Montana. Presidential like Barack
Me
Obama.
no want no dunce man.
Hey girl, go from me with the ugly man. You wait till me see him.
What? My phone a ring. I must be so call me from video chat. Hey boy, see me man ya.
Beauty! What the ugly fucker? Beauty, I want me here to go and what you done halfway tree with you and Winston.
Now the one Winston a come style be so him ugly. Boy, me no know in a Johnny's. Me know if me can't make nobody see me with ugly bees. Can't do them ugly yeah, man. Boy, you have money, you know?
Then beauty, when I give Winston a chance, you say my scam and he have money.
No sir, Winston. All Winston have about 40 pair of Gucci shoes and about $40 in him pocket. Me say the boy workless, you say Johnny's. All him do I use the scammer money and buy clothes. How that a knock on me door? Then I see me a try study for me test. I must see one Winston. Why him always clean so?
Y'all have you say, why make you clean so? Y'all have you say, why make you clean so?
Yes, Winston. We know see your shoes alone cost $500.
Me a overdo it. Woman a fit, love me style, let me smell me cologne from my man.
Hey beauty, you know see man a send a whole heap of voice note on WhatsApp. Why you not reply to me?
With this one bag of lengthy vice note, and the first two line him can't even write out.
Need a vagina.
A vice note, boy, you are sex.
Me a tell them me a beg you a fuck.
You're D-U-N-C-E. I'm now along my mouth. I'm in a one, no dunce man.
Dirty bitch.